Sent me a message this morning, and I want to read to you. He's saying, let him pass the finance bill as it is. What is wrong with you people? You have to let him make mistakes. That should be your strategy. If you help him to make good decisions, how will you remove him? You are supposed to make a little noise for record purposes that you opposed it, but don't make it too strong. He will correct the mistake then. What becomes of your talking point? And this is my last shot. Thank you.
Your Excellencies, allow me, before I invite Sheikh Jumangao to make the final prayer, to say this, because the media have been asking if at all we are going to come up with any amendments. The answer is that a lot has been said about this finance bill, and the public has overwhelmingly